Hello, Trevor Thompson here from my Sprint to Progress. My first user story states, as a student, I want to be able to visit a page for each department through the app from a list of departments so that I can have additional options for that department. The acceptance criteria for this user story states, the user is able to select a department from a list of departments and is then redirected to another page for that department. So, click on the Departments button. As you can see, we get a list of departments. If we select one, say Nursing, we go to the specific nursing page. If we go back, select another department, we'll say engineering. We go to the engineering page. As you can see, the acceptance criteria has been met. My second user story states, as a student, I want to be able to visit the department's website for the previously selected department so that I can visit the department's website. Acceptance criteria. The student is able to visit the previously selected department's website. So our previously selected department is engineering. Click the website button. As you can see, we go to the engineering website. We'll go back. We'll select another one just to show you that it's working. We'll say chemistry. Go to the chemistry page, website button, and go to the chemistry website. As you can see, the acceptance criteria has been met. My third user story states, as a student, I want to be able to visit a separate page for each sport through the app from a list of sports so that I can have additional options for that sport. Acceptance criteria. The user is able to select a sport from a list of sports and is then redirected to another page for that sport. So click on the sports button. As you can see, we have a list of sports here. We'll click on one, say tennis. We go to a specific page for tennis. And we'll select another one to show that it's working. We'll say football. As you can see, we go to a football page. And then the acceptance criteria has been met. My final user story states, as a student, I want to be able to visit the sports schedule for the previously selected sport so that I can visit the sports schedule. Acceptance criteria. The student is able to visit the previously selected sports schedule. So our previously selected sport is football. We'll click on schedule. As you can see, we go to the football schedule. Just to show that it works for other sports, we'll pick another one, say tennis. Again, we'll click schedule, and we're taken to the tennis page, which fulfills the acceptance criteria. Thank you for watching.